Hello everyone, what to do when the label position is incorrect. Press and hold the feed button for about 2 seconds, then release it to allow automatic alignment. How to adjust the printer's density. Press and hold the settings button to enter the toolbar. Press the settings button once to switch options. Press the feed button to adjust the printer's darkness. Switch again to adjust the printer's speed. Switch again to change the printer's language. Switch again to print the self-test page. On the self-test page interface, press the power button once, and the printer will print information about itself, including the Bluetooth name, connection password, and more.